realized I don't have my wallet, so I have to turn around. Alright, that's better. Unfortunately, I'm pretty sure I need gas, so I'm gonna go do that first, and then since I couldn't really think of a video idea yet, 'cause like I said, I have some good ones in mind, like good topics and stuff to talk about, but I kind of want to save those until I have more of a platform, I guess would be the best way to put it. Once I have more subscribers and viewers, then I'll get into the better stuff, because why would I talk about what I think is a good topic and everything when nobody's gonna really watch it? So I figured I'll save those videos, and since I didn't really know what to do, I asked some people, and decided a nice scenic ride through PA. So, which I mean, I thought about doing anyways beforehand. What the hell is that? There we go. It's a video topic. Looks like your mom want to get to her house. Unless something else interesting happens. If you like nature and fall and scenery and stuff like that and back roads, this will be a good video for you. Because if that's going to be the focus, I'm going to try to go on the best back roads I know and get some good footage of them and everything. Might be more of a boring video, or like I don't really talk much and just kind of ride, but you can listen to the bike and get some cool views, I guess. So let me know what you think. Unfortunately, I don't really know too many like good back roads here, but I'm exploring. Maybe I'll find some better ones, but I'm gonna go to a road I haven't been on in a video yet. That way it's not like, okay, well, we've already seen this. Or I'm just gonna sit here in traffic for the rest of the video. There we go. Yo, low-key, I want that job. Getting paid like, I think you get like, I don't even know. I'm not gonna guess because I don't want to be wrong. I'm gonna look stupid. But like, it's not terrible. I know it's like much better than minimum wage. They get paid that much to stand there and flip a sign back and forth. I will take it. Yes, I am fully aware that's going to be extremely boring, standing in front of cars with a stop sign. Extremely boring, absolutely. But it's extremely easy. Yeah, it's good. You want to race? And it's decent pay. Just to stand there, like, I'll take it. In the Army, we did that for $2 an hour. Stand there. So I definitely get paid to stand there holding a sign. I wasn't gonna ride today because it's pretty windy and we keep getting like gusts. Or nice strong, yeah, you can tell by the trees and stuff. It's pretty windy, so I wasn't gonna ride, but I really wanted to make a video. So, here I am. Hey! Over $4 a gallon, let's go. Let's go. $4 a gallon. $3.45. I'm gonna have the camera and the and my phone recording, obviously, my voice, just in case something cool does happen or I think of something to talk about or whatever. But if not, this is gonna be a video of me riding through the woods. Not the woods, but you know what I mean, back roads. Occasionally talking, maybe. If something happens, I'll put it in, obviously, because I already have a lot to cut out of this video. This person's riding nice and close. If you want to get a little closer, I think I'd be more comfortable. Because right now you're just too far back. So if you want to get a little closer, that way I know you're right behind me. It'd make me feel a lot better. Oh man, you're turning. Oops. What's down there? You know what? Let's find out. Kind of glad I came down here. Look at that. Is this a lake or something? Huh. There you go. I'd be on gravel. Ugh. Don't fall. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Come on. We're almost here. Come on. Cool. I now have no clue where I'm at. Never mind, I know where I'm at now. Fuck it. I'm taking that road, oh. Screw it. Gotta watch myself. The road I said I have no clue it's back there. I'll find out. Oh, no, we're not. Whoa. That's cool. Is that supposed to indicate you'll shoot me? Is that what that is? I can't see that. There's a little target practice silhouette on the gate. You threatening me, boy? That's something I can mention real quick. I saw some of my old videos a couple days ago, and it's bad. Like they're bad. They're real bad. By my old videos, I mean like the ones on the R3, the stupid montages I would make and stuff, and like the update videos and everything about my surgery. Those are so cringy. I have a hard time watching them, so I appreciate the support and views I did get on those, because they're bad. They're really stupid. Luckily, I've grown a lot since then, so I know that they're just stupid. So I'm not going to be uploading videos like that again. You don't have to worry about that. But maybe like cool moments, stuff like that, but not a video where I just put a copyright song in the background and do what I think's cool. But yeah, they're pretty bad. So I appreciate those of you that watched them, because it must have been tough. But my videos should be much better from here on out. Like I said, oh, cool. Cool. We're just gonna block the road now. Hell yeah. Block the road. That's what I like. If you want to park sideways, maybe, so you can block both lanes. I think that'd be more helpful. starting to lose feeling, which is pretty cool. Foot's completely numb. That's okay. Can't feel anything anyways. As much as I am enjoying this video, and I like being out just riding, nice peace and quiet, and getting to see the stuff like that, I can't feel my hands anymore, and my feet are very cold, and my body's starting to shake a little bit. So I'm gonna wrap this one up. I'm not sure how long it's gonna be once I cut everything. Also, not sure how much I'm gonna leave in, because I'm trying to keep this video somewhat more on the appropriate side, I guess, since it's just scenery. It's gonna be funny though. I'll leave some of the funny stuff in, otherwise it'll be too boring, I think. So I'll leave what I think's funny in. And I hope you guys appreciate it. I hope you like the views in the video. And again, if you do, don't be afraid to leave a like. Again, thank you for all the support and everything like that. I'll end it with a nice sunset here. But don't be afraid to leave a like or a comment. Thank you for the support I have been getting. And yeah, I'll leave you here with a nice view. And I'll see you in the next one.